Okay, this is approximately 9:15 this evening. I'm at the refrigerator where it is defrosting on its own, and this is just proof that we are not lying to anybody. And you can clearly see that there's water dripping from the door. And everything inside is completely unthawed, and it did it in about just a couple hours time. And you can hear the sound that it's making. This sounds awful, and there's water all over the floor. And it's clear down by the front of the kitchen sink, and the water is leaking. This is just a trail of the water right here, and it's all gonna be doing this probably the rest of the night. And this is not good. I'm telling you, there is something wrong with us. It looks to me like there's something wrong with a compressor or a Freon unit. So we didn't even have to open the door. This just started doing it on its own. As you can see, there's leakage coming up from underneath the door, and it is all over the place. But it continues to drip at a pretty steady pace there. And as you can see right there, it's dripping pretty bad. Just making an awful sound. It's been doing that since 3 o'clock, according to what Tammy said, and ever since I got home it's been doing it. So but yes, there's water all over the place, and this unit's gonna need some fixing or replacing, and it needs to be replaced with hopefully the same model.
I know.
But yeah, there's water leaking all over the floor, and it did this last time. And the guy from Tim's Appliance said he didn't have proof. Well, we've got proof right here.
We had towels all over the floor.
There's towels over the floor. It's leaking like a sieve right now.
Now we gotta get more towels. When the linoleum gets screwed up, then we're in trouble, right? I'll put a towel down.
Yeah, I'm just making sure I get all of this on video.
You can see it more from here. No, come over here. We'll look at the light. I don't want to put the towel down because I don't want to walk on my socks into that bullshit.
Okay, that sound that's been making, and there it is again. It's been happening just about every 2 minutes.
Oh, crap. God, it is all over.
Yeah, it's all over the place.
don't want to walk on this in my socks and get my socks wet. Crap. I'm sorry. Let me just,
Well, I'll just give you